Okay, this is your homework on dividing mixed numbers. I told you I'd do two problems tonight. There's two sides. So the first one I'm going to do is number 6. And number 6 says 4 and 4/5 divided by 4 and 3/4. So that's the first step you're going to do, is copy the problem on a separate sheet of paper. Now, since these are mixed numbers, I want to change them to improper by multiplying, adding, bringing it over. Multiply, add, bring over. So as I do this, I'm going to multiply 5 times 4, which is 20, plus 4 is 24 over 5. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19 over 4. So that's my first step right there. So as I write this over again, it says 24/5 divided by 19/4. So I'm going to do my steps which we learned, K, C, F. So K stands for keep, 24/5. C stands for change, so I'm going to change division to multiplication. F stands for flip, so I'm going to flip my second fraction. There's nothing that I can simplify before I multiply, so I'm just going to really have to multiply everything straight out. So when I do this, I get 96 over 95. So 96 over 95 is improper, so I want to divide it. And 96 does not go into 9, so I'll put a 0. 95, we're not going to 9. 95 does go into 96 one time, with 1 left over. So remember, when I do this, I go clockwise to write my answer down, so it's 1 and 1/95. So that's the answer to number 6. Okay, the next one I was going to do is number 15 on the back side. These are just proper fractions, so you don't have to do the first step. So all you're going to remember is you keep, change, flip. So remember, keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now, I like to multiply, or can't simplify before I multiply. So I'm going to look at 9 and 1. The only thing that goes into 9 and 1 is 1, so there's nothing I can simplify. But if I look at 10 and 2, I can simplify that by 2. 2 will go into 2 one time. 2 will go into 10 5 times. Now I have an easier problem, and when I simplify it, it will be already done. So 9 times 1 is 9. 5 times 1 is 5. If you did not do it that way, you would have gotten 18 over 10, which is still correct, but now you just got to divide it out. So 5 will go into 9 one time, with 4 left over. So my answer, remember, you go clockwise. So my answer is 1 and 4/5. So again, I hope this helps.